and welcome back to another Thrift Start Thursday. I found some adorable vintage items to decorate with this week, and I'm so excited to share with you what I found. So let's go ahead and jump into today's haul. So I was excited when I saw another Corelle bowl with the butterfly gold pattern on it. It was only $2.99 and I'm loving it. So now I have two in this pattern and that makes me very, very happy. This next item is so adorable. If you guys know that I like collect dog figurines, and I especially love Scottie Dogs, and I found a Scottie Dog planter, you guys, for $3.99, and he is absolutely adorable. Look at his cute little face. Oh, he's so sweet. I just love this so much. And it's so cute. I am going to find some little flowers to put in, some little full flowers, and he's going to sit up in my kitchen windowsill for a little while because I just think he is so adorable. He was $3.99, did I say that? And he does have a teeny weeny little sticker on him that says Japan on it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it does say Japan. So I don't think he's vintage or anything, but he's adorable. I just love him. And speaking of adorable, I think this next item is super sweet. It was $1.99, and I believe it's a little tray to a children's tea set. And I absolutely love the colors. It's little, looks like this. Isn't this so sweet? It's made of metal. I'm loving the red, and then it's got the little flower cart on it with a little umbrella, and I just think it's super sweet. It even has little details, like it's got a little bit of a curve here and around the corners, and I just think it is so adorable. I was so sad that I couldn't find the rest of the set because I have actually been looking for like a little children's metal vintage like cook set is what I've been looking for. And of course I'm always looking for it in red or blue or something like that. And this is absolutely perfect. And then look at the back of it. I could even use this side to like tuck into some sort of vignette or something because the color is absolutely perfect. That's like the prettiest shade of blue right there. So anyways, I was loving this and I think it is so cute. This will get used somewhere in my office. Whether as a piece of art or something functional, maybe sitting on my desk, I'm not really sure, but I thought it was super, super cute. And then you guys, I found another platter. Not that I need to be buying any sort of like dishware because I have so much right now, like more than I could possibly ever probably use. So now I'm trying to be very good and just buy specific types of dishes, like anything transferware, and anything ironstone, and then trying to keep away from anything else. So when I saw this on the shelf, I was totally not going to pass it up. It was $8.99, and it looks like this. Isn't it gorgeous? I absolutely love it. It's got flowers on it. It's got a bird on it, and I think it is gorgeous. It's got a lot of crazing on it, which I think is awesome. The back has got a few little chips, if you can see that right there. And then a couple more over here. But that is okay. I do not care if they have the chips in them or not. I think it just adds a little character. So I think it's just fine. Let's see. It does have a marking on the back. What does it say? It says Bristol Crown Dunkel. Crown Dunkel, England, and then it's got a number on it. So it looks like this. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know. Might be too little to read. But I absolutely fell in love with this plate, and you guys probably can see because it is absolutely so gorgeous why I would have fell in love with it. I'm loving, of course, the blue and white transferware. I collect the red, the blue, and the brown lately, and I just love it so much. I think it is gorgeous, and I cannot wait to actually put it on my hutch because I still have my red, white, and blue stuff up on my hutch, and I probably will for the rest of the summer. So I get to use it right away, which totally makes me happy. So the very last item that I have to share with you guys is really unique. I've never seen anything like it before. You guys know how much I love like vintage packaging. So when I saw this box on the shelf, I was super excited. And then when I picked it up, I realized that it still had stuff in it. So then of course I like read the box and realized, what? I never knew that that was a thing. So I found it for $2.24, and it is this adorable red and white box of Starch Cubes. What? I never knew that starch came in like cubes. I do not understand. Always gives you the same satin smooth laundry finish, it says. And then it's got little drawings on the back about how they use it or whatever. So, yeah. It does have directions, but the directions have kind of been a little bit ripped off. So, I don't know. It was originally $3, it says. But I have never seen starch in this form. I've only ever seen like spray starch. So I am very interested to know if any of you have used starch like this before, and when did they stop making starch like this, and how on earth are you supposed to use this kind of starch? So I'm going to try to read the instructions on the side and see if I can't figure out how one would use this kind of starch. But this has never been opened. You can see it's got the little spot right here to open it, and it's never been opened. I think this is so cool. So anyways, I love the packaging, the red and white. I mean, oops, I have it upside down. So sorry. I love the packaging, like I said. I think it is so cool. And I love the colors, of course. So this is going to go in my laundry room. If you saw my laundry room makeover from, I don't know, a while back, I have a shelf in there that I've kind of like put vintage laundry items on. So this will go there for sure. I've been on the lookout and on the hunt for like vintage laundry things. I really want to get like an old-fashioned iron, that sort of thing. But so far, those have been elusive. This is the absolute first thing I have found for the laundry. So I'll be adding this to it. So, loving that. So those are the items that I found this week to share with you guys in today's haul. I am loving what I picked up. I found some very unique things and some items that I can use right away, which is always fun. I mean, it's always fun to find anything at the thrift store, but like if it's a seasonal thing, you gotta like tuck it away and wait around until you get to use it. It's always fun to be able to come home and put your finds out right away and find like the perfect spot like the same day. It just makes it more exciting to me. I don't know why, it just does. So I'm loving my finds. I would love to know down in the comments which of my finds this week was your personal favorite. And of course, if you have been to the thrift store or to the garage sales this week, I would love to know what you found there as well. So leave me a comment, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys next week, or very soon, for another Thrift Store Thursday. Alright guys, bye now.